Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing your Wi-Fi password on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click on the search icon from the top right of your Mac. Search for keychain in the search bar and click on Keychain Access. Search for your Wi-Fi name in the search bar in the top right. Select your Wi-Fi from the list and then click the eye at the top of the page. Check the checkbox to the left of Show Password. Enter your Mac password to continue. Enter an administrator username and password, then click Allow. If you have one user account on your Mac, then the administrator account will be the one you are currently using. The Wi-Fi password will now show up to the right of Show Password. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.